Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shalia, also known as the Visionpreneur. I'm your passive income specialist and business strategist, here to help you create and thrive in multiple streams of income, because having multiple streams of income is the gateway to financial freedom. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a t-shirt business using just 3 tools and literally with no money. The 3 tools we'll be using is Printify, Etsy, and Creative Fabrica. So let's get started. First up, we have Printify. This is an on-demand printing service that connects you with manufacturers. And what's great about Printify is that they handle everything from printing to shipping. All you need to do is create your designs and set up your store. I'll walk you through the whole process of signing up and selecting the best products for your design. So let's jump right in and setting up your Printify account and creating your first listing. So the first thing you're going to do is click Start for Free. And then it's going to take you here to register. So you would sign in with Google, or you can sign in with your email address and create a password and click. But since I already have an account, I'm just going to go ahead and click up here. So once you sign in for an account, they may have you verify your email address. And then once you do that, then you can sign into your dashboard. And this is what your dashboard is going to look like once you sign in. So this is a fairly new account, so it's not going to show any analytics up here, and it's not going to show any products published. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for something that we want to sell. So we're going to go over here to the left hand side and click catalog, and then choose from one of these things. If you want to see what's trending, you would scroll down, and as you can see, there's a coloring mug here. Not a coloring mug, a mug here. There's some men's pajama pants, a framed horizontal poster, and an Arctic fleece blanket. These things are trending now. So if you want to see more, you click the see more option, and you can see some of the things that are high earning, such as this apron, this blanket. I think we saw that already, a long sleeve t-shirt, and you can discover more by these tags down here. So let's go to catalog, and we're going to click, let's see, women's clothing, and we'll do t-shirts. So number 3 over here is a bestseller. And as you can see, it costs about $13 to make. That's kind of high. They have 7 sizes and 58 colors, and they have 8 print providers. So we're going to determine if that is better than the express delivery option, because we want to make sure that our customers are getting these items in a fairly quick manner. So this one has express delivery. It doesn't say bestseller though, but they do have 8 sizes, 70 colors, and 22 print providers, and it's cheaper. So we're going to click here and go with this one. So over on the right hand side, you can see the specs of the t-shirt. It's made with medium premium fabric. It's 100% cotton for year-round comfort. It's a classic fit. A tearaway label means a scratch-free experience. And it's ethically grown and harvested. So if we're happy with those product details, and that's the kind of t-shirt that we want to create, we can look and see how it looks on a man. We can look and see how the back would look. And if we're satisfied with that, then we can start designing. So we have to choose which provider that we want to go with. So we have Duplium here. It's in Canada. We have the Print Bar, which it's in Australia. And then we have Poland. We have the US. So that's one thing we want to look for when we're using the manufacturer. And you also want to look at the production time. So this one is 1 day. This is 1.5 days. This is 1 day, 1 day. And then you're also going to want to look at the rating that they have. So this has a 9.8, 9.7, 9.6, and I guess it goes down from there. So the first manufacturer has branded inserts. So if you wanted to create your own clothing line, you would be able to do that with branded inserts. And then you would see the sizing. Do they offer the available sizes that we have? If you need a 5X, do they offer that? You know, stuff like that. So this first manufacturer has 23 colors. And if they have all the colors that you need, then you could go with them. But if they don't, then you'd have to choose something else. So I'm going to go with the print bar, and I'm going to start designing. So I'm going to click start designing, and they have helpful hints for you to choose from. So if you are a designer and you have your own design, you would upload your design from your device, and then you would choose, your design and then put it on the t-shirt. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to upload this woman. So it gives you kind of the size guides. So you want to make sure that your image fits properly on the t-shirt so that you can see what it looks like. So let's preview what that looks like. This is what it would look like on the shirt. And if you wanted to add something to the back, you could add something to the back and then also preview it. You could also preview it with the model and see where it would go on the shirt. And if you're not satisfied, you could also move the image up and then preview it again to see if you would like that. So if you're not a designer, no worries. There is this cool tool called Fabrica that you can use. I'm going to link it down below, that you can use to get your graphics from. So let's go over to Creative Fabrica to find our design. So this is Creative Fabrica. This is where you can have access to different fonts, different graphics. As you can see, illustrations, logos, product mockups, KDP interiors, just everything, 3D, Spark, crafts, just there's tons of things that you can get from Creative Fabrica. So if you're not a designer, that's fine. You don't need to be a designer. You can go to Creative Fabrica and find something for commercial use. So let's find something that we can put on our t-shirt to create a cute little, saying. So let's go let's go to illustrations. Okay, so we have tons of illustrations. And keep in mind, you could also search. If you're looking for something specifically, you can search up here and find it as well. But if not, you could also browse. So let's click this, musical notes. I'm just gonna log in, because once you're signed in, you'll be able to download things. And you're going to look for commercial and full POD usage. POD is print on demand. So if you like these musical notes and you want to put them on a shirt, you would simply click download, and it downloads to your computer, and then you'd be able to upload it to your Printify shirt. So I'm just waiting for it to download. So once your image has downloaded from Creative Fabrica, you would click upload, my device, and then find it in your downloads. Sometimes it is zipped, so you may have to unzip it before you can upload it to your t-shirt. So I'm going to choose this beautiful note, and it's uploading right now, so we're going to wait. So this is how the image looks, and it was already centered, so we wouldn't have to do much more to it. Then we would preview it and see if we like it. And I like to preview it on a model just to see, where the image shows up. So I'm going to bring the image up a little bit because I kind of like it at the top of the t-shirt more. And yes, that is perfect for me. You can do it, you can center it if you would like to, and then you would click save product. Don't forget, you can choose the color of the t-shirt. So if you don't want it to be white, you could also make it black, but then you would have to make sure that the image is a PNG so that, it doesn't show up looking like a picture unless that's how you want it to look. So now that we're done, we can choose which images we want to include in our product description for the t-shirt. And then once we're done, we would go down and we would edit the product description. So music note, t-shirt for women. And then we would edit the description. If you want, you can use ChatGPT. Give me a product description for a t-shirt with a music note on it for women, and then just see what ChatGPT comes up with for you. And obviously you would edit to your liking. So this is what ChatGPT has come up with for us. So I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it in our description. Okay. And then we're going to go down. We're going to make sure it says automatically assign a new shipping profile. You can change this, but I wouldn't recommend. I would recommend automatically assign a new shipping profile. And then we would choose which ones we want to include in our stock. I'm going to click select all so that, you know, people have options. And then it shows you your profit margin, your profit, your retail price, the SKU number, and then the inventory and the color. And then you can choose whether you want your t-shirts to show if they're out of stock. I would choose only show in stock variants. And you can sync the product details, the mock-ups, you can sync them or not, or you can add your own, create your own. Like if you order a t-shirt for yourself, you can, you know, hire models, or you can, you know, model the t-shirt yourself and then put those pictures up. But if you don't want to do all that, you can select the mock-up checkbox there. And then you would just click publish. Now Printify does sync with Etsy. So as you can see at the top left, it says Etsy up here. So for this account, it is linked to one of my Etsy stores, which is Moonshine Flowers. And then you can see all of the things that I have published. Yeah, so you can see all the things I have published, and right now it's about 20 products. And once you upload to Printify, if your Etsy shop is synced with Printify, then it will automatically update to your Etsy shop. So if we go to our Etsy shop, we can see the shirt that we just did, the music note t-shirt for women. And if we click on it, we can see our product description, and this is the information, the shipping information, and that is it. It's pretty simple. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a question in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, as well as tips and strategies on creating passive income streams. Until next time, I'm Shalia, the Visionpreneur, signing off. Keep creating and thriving, and I'll see you in the next video.